Hey everyone, I'm Praveen and welcome to AI Sparks, where artificial intelligence meets innovation and excitement. On this channel, we spark curiosity and ignite imagination with AI-powered insights, tutorials, and explorations. From machine learning to robotics, we'll dive into the future today. Imagine a world where your voice doesn't just speak, it understands, adapts, and responds like a human. Today, we are diving into a fascinating paper titled OmniVoice by researchers including Zhengyong Chen and team. This isn't just another speech model, it's a step toward truly unified voice intelligence. So what's the problem here? Most voice systems today are fragmented. You have one model for speech recognition, another for text generation, and yet another for speech synthesis. This creates latency, inconsistency, and complexity. OmniVoice changes that by bringing everything into a single unified framework. Think of it like replacing a team of translators with one person who understands every language instantly. At its core, OmniVoice is a multimodal large language model. It processes both speech and text in a shared representation space. Instead of converting speech, text, response, speech, it directly reasons across modalities. This is powered by a combination of audio encoders, language models, and speech decoders, all tightly integrated. The key idea is alignment, aligning audio tokens and text tokens so the model can think across both. Now let's talk about how it actually works. First, raw audio is converted into discrete tokens using a speech tokenizer. Then, these tokens are fed into a large language model alongside text tokens. The model generates responses either as text or directly as speech tokens. Finally, a vocoder converts those tokens back into natural audio, so the system becomes fully end-to-end. What's really interesting is the flexibility. OmniVoice can handle multiple tasks: speech recognition, speech-to-speech translation, voice chat, even emotional speech generation, all within the same model. No task-specific fine-tuning required. That's a big shift toward general-purpose voice intelligence. Now let's look at architecture choices. You can scale the language model backbone depending on performance needs. You can also swap different audio tokenizers, and deployment-wise, you can run it in streaming mode for real-time conversations or batch mode for offline processing. This flexibility makes it practical, not just theoretical. But there are pitfalls. One major challenge is latency. Processing audio tokens can be heavy, especially in real-time systems. Another issue, alignment errors. If speech and text tokens aren't perfectly aligned, responses can degrade. A practical tip, carefully choose your tokenizer and compression rate. It directly impacts both quality and speed. So what's the takeaway? OmniVoice isn't just improving voice AI, it's redefining how we think about it, from pipelines to unified intelligence. And this raises a big question. If models can truly understand and generate voice seamlessly, what happens when they start understanding emotion, intent, and context even deeper? That's where things get really interesting. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment which AI system you want to build next. Stay sparked. See you in the next video.